How to transfer dollar from Bitget to Binance. Now, to be able to transfer dollar from Bitget to Binance, it means that you send that crypto and after that you will be withdraw it with dollar in Binance. Now, I will show you the step by step how to do it. Now, to be able to send the crypto that you want to convert or withdraw in Binance from Bitget, just go and tap on assets. Now, after that, from the top bar, tap on spot and now tap on withdraw. Now for this tutorial, I will use the USDT as a token that I want to transfer. So after that, I will select USDT. Now tap on on-chain withdrawal. Now so that as you can see, select the network that you want to set. For example, the BIP20, and we need the withdrawal address. Now I will go and open the Binance app. Now after you open the Binance app, to be able to get the withdrawal address is by going and tap on wallets. Now after that, from the top bar, tap on spot. And now after that, tap on deposit. Now select the USDT. Now after that, set the network as BIP20 as you set it on Bitget. Now after that, just you can copy the withdrawal address and go back to Bitget like here and paste your withdrawal address in here. Now after that, enter the amount that you want to transfer. For example, $100. So you will pay 0.4 USDT for fee and you will receive 99.6 USDT on your wallet. Now, after you click on withdraw, you will be able to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Now, to be able to withdraw it on Binance, let's go back. And now to be able to convert that USDT to dollar, just go and tap on the top left corner for that icon. Now after that, tap on the P2P. And now after that, tap on sell to be able to sell your USDT and receive the dollar. Now from the top right corner, switch the currency to USD like that. So after that, tap on I have read and agree and tap on confirm. Now here, select the payment that you want to add to be able to receive the dollar to. Now make sure to select sell. Now to that, tap on payments. Now select your bank or the payment method, for example. If you select from here like Cash App, as you can see, now tap on it, tap on confirm. And after that, select one of these like buyers. Now after you select one of these, just click on sell. And now you will be able to enter here how much you want to sell of USDT. And now select the payment method. As you see here, you select the Cash App, just click on add. And now enter your credential of your Cash App to be able to receive that dollar after you convert all your cellular USDT. So this is how to transfer dollar from Bitget to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.